Welcome, welcome, welcome to phase 2 of our 4th anniversary May traffic bonanza. So let me tell you a really cool, weird, and wonderful story. Once upon a time, there was a digital marketing miracle that almost never happened. See, my wife Alicia and I, we're brainstorming, right? We wanted to get more website traffic, just like you do. Everybody, that's the big question. How do I do it? How can I get more? More is better, especially of traffic, right? So we're throwing around the ideas. Let's try this and let's try that. And we're rehashing the same old stuff. And then Alicia says, everyone uses the same methods. Let's be different. So Alicia's big idea was this. She said, let's create a massive giveaway page. Not any giveaway page, a massive one. Not any giveaway page, a different massive giveaway page that no other internet marketer out there does. Something with over $200 in free products. Plus, she suggested that we deliver them without any obligation. And on top of that, she says, how about we give everybody a new one each week? So let me put this into perspective. No obligation means no purchase necessary. They can come and they can collect all this stuff week after week after week after week. They never have to jump through any hoops. They don't have to buy anything. And they don't have to sign up to anything. So immediately I said, whoa, like that is just so wrong. That goes against every marketing principle that I've been taught. See, you make a nice capture page. What's the point of the capture page? Well, it's to give something away. Sure. But all of these people here, they have to give their info. So let's see, this is Bob here. Right up here it says Bob's info. Okay, Jack's info. So the whole point is I give you something, you give me your info. But that's not what Alicia's idea was. And I wanted a new traffic idea that would boost sales and profit, not cost us more time and money. So we're going to have to buy all kinds of more giveaways to give away to people. That's going to cost more time, cost more money. And then it's going to be the time to create the page, the time to inventory these, the time to make a new one each and every month. It's not a small investment of time or money. So I didn't want to do it. And then she said, well, do you practice what you preach? I said, what? She said, do you practice what you preach? And of course, everybody wants to think that they practice what they preach, but she kindly pointed out to me that how do you expect your followers to copy what you teach with no products to give away? So I'm always saying that I give and you shall receive. The more you give, the more you get. The power of free, the power of free. It's in almost every one of my trainings because that is how we made it to 7 figures without buying advertising, right? That's how we made it to 7 figures, giving away free stuff. Well, how are they going to copy? When we started, we had no budget. She said, well, what about the people who have no budget? Where are they going to get the products to give away? So apparently, I stand corrected. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do her ideas because she was right. I didn't believe that it would bear any fruit for traffic, leads, and sales, but it was definitely the right thing to do for our followers. What happened next was massive. Like, don't think big, think massive. Unexpected results. Crazy, unexpected results. Massive traffic, massive leads, and massive sales. You see, people liked the free giveaway page. They liked the free giveaway page so much that without us asking them, they shared it with their friends. And more people came to these giant giveaway pages. More people and more people and more people. And while they were on our site, they would poke around, check out different pages, and they would sign up for something else. They'd see another giveaway where I did have a capture page. I'm going to show you how you can give away just like we're doing here and get massive traffic, massive leads, and then of course, when those two things are in place, it always turns into massive sales. So, if I go to siteprice.org, this is just a site that if I type in my name here, it's going to tell me the value of my domain. Now, the only reason my domain is valued at $102,000, that's not my business, that's my domain, is because of the traffic this site gets. And somebody would want to buy that domain to capture this traffic, okay? Because they're estimated, they're telling you that the $5 Friday gets 15,000 hits and almost 46,000 page views. And it is this weekly giveaway page that gets all the traffic. So what we're going to do, so welcome to the new evolution of the giveaway marketing miracle. The only thing different about this and the one I showed you on $5 Friday is that we're going to let you the opportunity to put your giveaways here. We're going to make sure that this receives massive traffic. In all of our traffic sites, we're going to be redirecting people to these giveaway sites. Why? Because it's good business. You're going to help save us a colossal amount of time by submitting your quality free trials or free products to here. We will display them on this traffic site for you. That is a set it and forget it marketing miracle. All right, so this is how it works. For the next 3 days, 12 hours, 24 minutes, you get the opportunity to put products on this freebie site for life. One product, $5. 5 products, $25. 10 products, $35. 20 products, $50. Now, why would you want more than one product? Well, easy. Not every idea that we have is the best idea. We will put some kind of a product that we think is amazing and nobody else cares about it. So when you have lifetime access, you want 20 products, right? You want to be able to continue to change these products over time. Because 2 years from now, what if you got some brand new products? Oh, well, you still have 10 slots left. And now there's some new cool things you want to give away. When you purchase more products, you'll qualify for these bonuses. And here is what I want to show you. We have another site called Digifreebies. Now, of course, we're going to make it look a little different. So there are going to be some different colors and a whole bunch of different products. But why am I showing you this is when we finish redesigning this site, we're going to double your giveaway. So if you claim 20 free products, then we're going to give you the exact same amount of giveaway spots on our second giveaway marketing miracle site. These, I cannot underestimate how much traffic these will get, which is years and years and years and years and years and years and years. Set it and forget it. Lifetime traffic is not available for $50. Click the button and I'll see you on the inside.